Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can lock files and folders in your Google Drive account and password protect them. So let us get started. Right from the get-go, guys, there's actually no built-in feature here on Google Drive that may allow you to password protect and to lock your files and folders. But don't worry, there's a simple trick we may apply here to bypass this obstacle. And for this method, we're going to use an external zip file creator. You can use any other you like by simply looking for one on Google search. I'm using this one here for demonstration purposes under this URL. So what you want to do, guys, is simply download the given file from your Google Drive account you would like to lock first, or the folder. So let me go, for example, with that file here, right click on the given file inside your Google Drive, click on download here. Wait for the download process to be finished, and after a moment, what you want to do once the file has been downloaded to your device, head over to the zip file creator and start by selecting the given file or folder here by clicking on select one here. After that, locate the given file on your device. So let me do that really quickly. Here in the output file folder, and upload it or add it to that list here. After that, click on next here. And last but not least, choose a safe password by entering or typing it here. Make sure that you memorize it, of course. And after that, the given file will be converted into a password protected zip file or folder. Last but not least, click on download here to download the zipped or password protected file or folder on your device. And in the very last step, guys, upload the password protected and locked file again to your Google Drive account. So that, do it by clicking on that plus new icon in the top left corner. Click on file or folder, upload here, locate the password protected folder or file on your device, upload it, wait for the upload process to be finished in a zip format like that. And after a moment, the given file or folder password protected will be added to your portfolio here on Google Drive. So if someone accidentally downloads or has access to the given folder or file, it will be password protected and the given contact won't be able to open the given file or folder if he or she doesn't know the password you set here on the zip file creator, guys. And that's basically it. That's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.